Hey guys, it's Trushang, your host for this channel. It's been ages since I've last uploaded video on this channel. Therefore, I have decided to kick off this new year by uploading a video wherein I can tell you about the speaking part 1 topics. This topic can be asked for January to April 2021. So, if you are going to appear for this period, then this video is for you. Not only have I discussed the topics which could be asked in speaking part 1, but I've also discussed the questions, sub-questions which could be asked in this particular topics. Therefore, without having any further ado, let's get straight into it. But before starting our discussion, let me remind you once again that if you are new to this channel, then consider hitting the bell icon so that you will never miss any updates regarding IELTS preparation and foreign education. Now, let's kick off our conversation. So guys, I have compiled 30 IELTS speaking part 1 topics and their sub questions. Remember guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you about the questions which can be asked in IELTS speaking part 1 only. If you wish, I can make a separate video for speaking part 2 topic. Just let me know in the comment section so that I can prepare for that. Now let's focus on speaking part 1 topic. As you all know that in initial questions they can ask you about work and studies. So the first topic for you is work and studies, and you know the sub question, so I'm just skipping it. The second topic can be your hometown. That is also familiar with you, so I'm just skipping the sub questions. The third topic is country. You can be asked about your country. The fourth topic is about your accommodation, and that is your apartment or your bungalows, and you know the questions. I'm going to tell you about the topics which are new, so I'm just skipping this initial questions. The fifth and new topic is picnics, and the sub questions are: first one, do you like picnics? The second one, how often do you go on picnic? And the third one, when was the last time you went on a picnic? In speaking part 1, they can ask you questions about different tenses. So overall they will check whether you are proficient in grammatical structures or not. Now let's move to the next topic. Okay, the topic number 6 is clothes, and there are numerous questions which can be asked in clothes section. The first one is, do people in your country like to wear bright colors? And the second one, what are the differences between men and women's preferences in color? The third one is, what kind of clothes do you like to wear? And the fourth one is, what kind of clothes do you never wear? And fifth and last one is, do you wear the same style of clothes on weekdays and weekends? So here you need to compare between your attire for weekends and weekdays. So that's it guys, this is for clothes, and now let's move to the next one. The topic number 7 is handwriting. This was the old topic which they have reintroduced. Now let's have a look on the questions. The first question is your handwriting easy to read for others? It means, is it legible or not? The second one is, can we tell someone's personality from their handwriting? The third one is, do you usually write by hand or write using a computer? And the fourth one is, what is the difference between writing with a pen and typing on a computer? So these are the sub questions which can be asked for handwriting. Remember guys, I am getting these questions from all over the world from my viewers and subscribers, and these are the most probable topics which you might encounter from January to April 2021. Now let's move to the next one. Okay, the topic number 8 is concentration. And the first question is, when is it hard to concentrate? What may distract you when you are trying to stay focused? The second one. The third one is, in what situation do you need to concentrate? The fourth one is, when do you need to be focused? And fifth and last one is it easy for you to do two things simultaneously? It means they are asking for multitasking. So these are the 5 questions which I got from one of my students who appeared in Kuwait, and this was the recent topic, so you need to prepare for this so that if you encounter this topic, then it would be easy for you to answer. Now let's move to the next one. The topic number 9 is making lists, and the first question in that topic is, do you make a list when you shop? Second one is, do you make a list for your work and does it work? And the third and last one is, why don't some people like making lists? So these are the common questions which can be asked for this topic. And the next topic is about recycling. This topic was there in the last quarter of 2020, and this can be asked in your 2020 months. So remember guys, you need to learn some proper words which can be used for this topic, because this is a new topic, so you might not be familiar with the vocabularies which can be asked, so you need to prepare for this topic. The question for recyclings are, the first one, can you name products or materials that are commonly recycled? The second one, why have people's attitudes towards recycling changed over the last several years? And the third one, do you think recycling is important? So these are common questions and that can be asked to you, so, and you need to prepare for these topics, otherwise you might face some detrimental consequences. The topic number 11 is sports. This is quite familiar topic, and I hope you all can answer for this topic. But let's see the questions first. The first question can be, do you like sport? The second one is, do most people in your country like sport? The third one is, what sports do you like? The fourth one is, what sports do people in your country like to play? So they are asking about general opinion, they are asking about your opinion, and they can ask you about the future conditions as well. And here they can ask you about the past questions as well. Did you do any sports when you were young? And what kind of exercises are popular in your country? These are the questions which can be asked in sports section. So this is it for sports, and now let's move to the next one. The next topic is about weekends. This topic was also there in 2020. So in weekends, you might be asked, what do you do in your spare time? The second one is, what do you usually do at weekends? And the third one is, do you think it is important to make the most of your weekend? So these are the common questions for weekend, and I hope you are quite familiar with the vocabularies and you'll be able to answer this kind of questions. Remember guys, you just need to be well prepared with some new topics, so that even if you are being asked the new questions, you'll be able to answer. Okay, the topic number 13 is about changes. This is again the new topic, and the first question in this category is, what do you plan to change next year? Do you like changes, and are there any changes in your hometown? And the final one is, have you changed a lot since your childhood? So these are 4 questions which can be asked in changes section. Topic number 14 is about furniture. This topic was also there in November-December segment. So I hope you are aware about the questions, but still I'm going to repeat it so that those who have missed this topic can well prepared with this one. The first question in furniture segment is, do you have a lot of furniture at home? The second one is, have you ever received any piece of furniture as a gift? And the final one is, what's your favorite furniture? And these are only 3 questions which students usually encounter in this particular topic. The last and number 15 topic is about text messages. There are more than 30 questions. There are more than 30 topics for speaking part 1, but I'm going to just discuss only 15 in this video and next 15 and next video, so that it would be easy for you to watch this video, because I have seen that many people may not be able to watch longer videos, and I'm not an exception. So I'm just considering it and I'm making it shorter so that you'll be able to consume most out of it. So the last topic is about text messages, and the questions are, do you like texting? The second one is, in what circumstances is making a call better than sending a text message? The third one is, have you ever received a confusing text message? The fourth one is, do you prefer sending or receiving message? And the final one is there any chance when texting someone is better than calling them? So guys, this is all about the 15 topics which you might encounter in January to April 2021 segment. And if you have any queries, if you are not able to prepare better for this question, just let me know in the comment section below and I can prepare model answer for you. And if you need any assistance with IELTS preparation, be it speaking, writing, listening or reading, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll be there to provide you all the possible assistance. If you are preparing for IELTS, you can search my Facebook group, where I can post daily updates about IELTS preparation and foreign education. The name of my Facebook group is IELTS Aspirants 2020. And if you want to practice listening test, then you can search my another YouTube channel, and that is IELTS Listening Studio. I hope this information is pretty useful, and I've been making videos about IELTS preparation and foreign education. If you have any topic in your mind which can be discussed, then just let me know in the comment section below and I would be happy to provide all the possible assistance in that regard. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and bye for now.